Alright, I figured I'd make this video. I locked my keys in my truck. It's not the first time I've done this. So I figure I'm going to show everybody how to break into a vehicle using a coat hanger. Let me go get one. Alright. With my coat here. Now, there's one way to do this. You don't want to go in here and try to pull it out like you see in the movies. That could be dangerous. So, with an ordinary coat hanger, this is what you do. There you go. Now, retrieve your keys, and the coat hanger, and lock the door. And that, everybody, is how you break into a truck using a coat hanger.